Hey tumbleweeds! In this video I just want to show you some things that I did to avoid hot weather. It's not even summer yet and it's already getting hot here in Arizona. And my plan is to stay in northern Arizona for the summer, staying in Thousand Trails parks, which is okay if it gets hot, if I'm in one of those, because I am hooked into power and I can run the air conditioner pretty much all the time if I want. But in between my stays there, I have to go somewhere else, and that typically involves boondocking somewhere. So right now I am in Flagstaff, Arizona, and I just want to show you that I still had a little bit of trouble with heat, even though we're in Flagstaff. So watch the video and you'll see what happened and what we did to resolve the issue. There's Daisy back there. Hi, Daisy. Okay, enjoy the video.
Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind blows her.
So there is one thing I don't like about this particular site. It's that it's intended for a tent. So I had to back into the spot because I would not fit if I had pulled in forward because of my cargo boxes. So my slider faces the other way from the picnic table here where I'm sitting now. So I actually set up my chair and table for cooking on the other side of the van where the slider is. And I'm going to put my canopy up, the new canopy that I just bought recently. I'm going to put it up today and see how it works. I haven't been able to use it before because I didn't have anything to attach it to the van with, so I ordered some 1,700-pound magnets that I think will work. I used to have a moonshade, and those magnets I don't think were even that powerful. I hope I can get them back off of the van once I stick them on there. But yeah, this is a nice spot though. I don't mind being on the, using both sides of the van. It's okay. I really like the tables here though because they're made of concrete and they don't rot and you don't get splinters in your butt. So, yeah, so I guess I'll get busy and try to set up that canopy. I had to go tie Chia up to the picnic table because she kept jumping on top of the canopy. So, and I forgot to start the camera rolling when I first started. So this is my first attempt to put the canopy up where I think it might actually stay.
Underneath the blazing sky, she's on the move. A wandering spirit with nothing to prove. Set up a canopy, try to find some shade. But every time she does, it's just a charade. Sun, trying to find a shelter, but it's never done. Falling down, spinning around. She's got that grace in the bright campfire light. She finds her place. Trying just to feel she plays. A little bit of trouble in her endless days. Oh, nomad woman, dancing in the sun, trying to find her shelter, but it's never done. Falling down, spinning round, she's got that grace in the bright campfire light. She finds her place. Underneath the open sky, she's reaching high. With every stumble, she's a shining star. A free soul chasing dreams just as they are. Just as they. Oh, so here's to the nomad, brave and free in the wild campfire's glow. She's who she's meant to be, canopy or not, she's got her own way, living in the moment, day by day.
Now let's see if the wind blows it down. I think we might be good though. What you doing over there, Chia? You trying to stay in the shade? There's shady over here. I'm under the canopy. Won't you come over here with me? Let me show you my campsite. It's pretty hot today, 84 degrees, which doesn't sound that hot, but when the sun hits the side of my van, it gets very hot inside. So I ran the air conditioner for a couple of hours and came outside, and there was a bit of a breeze, and I had shade on this side of the van now, so I turned off the air conditioner and came outside to read. So I think tomorrow, even though I have 4 more nights reserved here, I think I may go across the highway and see if there's any BLM spots over there that have more shade. Otherwise, I can always come back here. So, what do you think about that plan, Chia? Are you staring at squirrels? There's a squirrel in that tree. She's so cute. Okay, I guess we'll see you tomorrow when we go look for a shady spot. We are looking for a shady spot. This is Forest Service Road 525 or 545, I can't remember exactly. Anyway, we have reservations at the Meadow Campground across the other side of Highway 89, but our site is very sunny and it gets incredibly hot inside the van, and it's going to be 90 degrees today. So I thought I'd come see if I could find a shady spot over here. And if not, then we'll go back to our spot over there. But they had a fire up here a couple of years ago, over here on the left. I don't know if you can see. I think that part is closed off. And I don't know if we would want to park there anyway, because there's no shade. There's no needles on the tree.
the blazing summer sun. She packs her bags, the day's begun. With Chia's paws upon the dusty trail, chasing shadows, leaving heat behind her sail. Mountains call her, whispering low, a cooler breeze, a place to go. Through valleys deep and peaks so high, she's chasing clouds across the sky. Oh, wandering nomad with a heart so free, chasing the cool in the mountain breeze. She is black coat shining in the sun. Together they run till the heat is gone.
This area has a name. It's BLM land. You could see there's a lot of people camping out here. You could see on the way in here. But let me show you how good this spot is. Well, right now we have a lot of shade, and I think we'll probably be good with the shade. Oh, somebody lost a little truck tire. There's fire restrictions, so we can't have a campfire. I never build campfires anyway, because it's not much fun by yourself. Anywho, I think we're going to stay here until Monday morning. And today is Friday. So I'm going to set up my little outdoor kitchen. What do you think, Chia? You like it? Is it good? You like it? Do we get to stay here? Do I have your approval? Well, I think that's yes.
Oh, wandering nomad with a heart so free, chasing the cool in the mountain breeze. She is black coat shining in the sun. Together they run till the heat is gone. Just wild horizons, sun and rain. With a faithful friend by her side, they find their refuge in the mountains' pride. As the summer fades into the night, she and Chia bask in softer light. A nomad soul forever roaming in the cool
I don't know what she's trying to go after, but she is tugging with all her strength on the end of this leash. there's Daisy right over there. Look how pretty the mountains are. Nice and green. The only thing I don't like about this place is people drive really fast and stir up a ton of dust. But it's very peaceful. Other than that, okay, she is tugging on me, so I gotta go. You like our cat spot? It's pretty good, huh? It's pretty good.